Ooh, spooky. This video, I'm going to show you one of the most important chord tricks in the entire world, and it's how you take your A minor chord, which is actually one of the easier chords to play, and how you, there it is, move it up the neck. This is an extremely important concept that you understand, and it's going to happen right now. All right, here we are, ukelikethepros, Terry Carter, blue shirt, black label, Ko-Aloha, here with a super important, cool, amazing concept for you, which is how to take your simple A minor chord and move it up the neck. I promise you, and if not, leave it in a comment below. This was probably one of the first chords you learned. You probably learned what? C, probably first, maybe F, A minor, and G7, right? So I'm sure this A minor is one of the first chords you learn. I'm going to show you how to move it up the neck. And this is extremely important because we need to break out of the open position chords. We need to get used to bar chords, get comfortable, and not be scared of them anymore, especially when we start getting into more complex songs that are going to be using chords like B flat minor, B minor, C sharp minor, D flat minor, whatever you want, okay? It's important to know. So anyway, before we get to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click that link below, and you're automatically entered to win our free giveaway of an ukulele every single month. By the way, there's a playlist if you want to go see some of the giveaways that we've had already. That happens. So anyway, all right. I'm playing my black label. Doesn't matter what you're playing. Matter of fact, what are you playing? Are you playing a, I don't know. Tell me the brand. Tell me the size. Ko-Aloha black label, and I got a low G on this one, but it doesn't matter if you have low G or high G. All good. But tell me below. All right. And by the way, if you need a new ukulele, accessories, whatever, the number one store is store.ukelikethepros.com. Did you hear me right? Store.ukelikethepros.com. All right. You ready? Grab your A minor chord. That's an easy one right there. That's a 2, 0, 0, 0. That should be a given right there. That shouldn't even be tough. All right. Now, do this for me, just for today's purpose. Instead of using your second finger here, use your third finger. All right, so this is A minor. The reason why this is A minor is because this note right here, second fret of the fourth string, there you go. And the first string also, if you want to use the first string, is an A, and that's why this is an A minor chord. Of course, the other notes matter too. A, C, E, A, which is A minor, kind of sad, kind of dark, but cool. All right, now, if you take this shape and you slide it up, so now you're sliding your third finger up to the third fret, and now you got to count for the open strings here, so you got to bring your first finger in, and boom, bar strings 1, 2, and 3 at the first fret. That's tough. That's a bar chord right there, by the way. Get it? Get it clean. Keep that finger straight up with the frets, and give it a little bit of pressure, but not too much pressure where you're hurting your hand, right? So those should ring out nice and clear, and then add that third finger back. That now is a new chord. It's still a minor chord, but we split it up. So instead of being A, it is now B flat or A sharp. That is, by the way, called inharmonic. The last video I did, by the way, if you like this, I did one on major chords as well. Same kind of concept. But anyway, that is either B flat or A sharp minor chord. If you need help with understanding the notes on the neck, all my books, all the Ukelikethepros books, which are available at my store. Most of them are available up on Amazon as well. We also have these really cool posters. That's right, posters. Chord posters, over 180 chords and other stuff. That has all the notes on the neck. So you want to know that. You've got to know where you're at on this instrument. So right here, if we slide this up now, all the fingers slide up one fret. So now we're on 2, 2, 2. That's a fret, and 4. Now that chord is B minor. Slide up one more fret, and you have 3, 3, 3, 5, and that is C minor. So now what the purpose of this is one, so you can have a shape that you use to the A minor. You learn how to slide it up the fretboard, and when you see those in your chords and your songs, you understand how to get to them. Like, oh, C minor? How the heck do I play C minor? Oh, yes, right, take the A minor, slide it up to B flat, B, and C minor. And then over time, you'll just learn where the C minor is. Right. Slide up one more fret, you got C sharp minor or D flat minor, remember, what is that called? Inharmonic. That means when a chord such as this has two names, same chord, two names, side up a fret. Now we're on the 5th fret. 5, 5, 5, and 7. Now we're at D minor. Side up again, D sharp minor or E flat minor. That's not in the right key, I don't think. E, F, F sharp, E, and so forth. If I can do it, then you can do it, and I believe in you, so you can do it too. Then you can do some cool stuff. All right, and that's how you take your easy A minor chord, move it up the neck to all these other chords that you can do. And again, I do have a video as well on the major chord doing the same thing if you need help with that. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for being here. The comments, subscribing to the channel, signing up for the giveaway of our ukulele every single month. We have a great Patreon page as well. And if you like any of this stuff, you like my style, you like my teaching, you want to learn more, we have over 20 courses. 20 courses at ukelikethepros.com. We got a fantastic platinum membership, everything over there. I want to see you over there. So, all right, that's going to do it for this one. Enjoy. Hope you got something out of it. A minor, movable chord all the way up and down the neck.